Another morning at sea. Two men in a red hat, like a danger. I want to come boat. We look up by that fish killing spree. Yeah. Drop it at them, you know. Just go and touch the like button right there. So, yeah, man. See the thumbs up one? Yeah, just touch pan it. You want to say subscribe, touch it too. After that, you go see one bell come up, touch it too. Then you click all. It's that way there. Nothing will go on here so you not miss. You go get everything. So yeah, so like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and share, then press all. Also leave a comment. Talk up the things then. Like we hear what I say. Alright? So leave a comment down in the comment section. Yeah, man. So we are pulling this trap. Well, not we. I'm the lazy one here. They are taking this trap from about 120 to 150 feet. So like Jano, them have to pull. Jackass have to bear a cross. That man all shot back boss. Crampy pull till he shot back boss. We see what going on that one there. Lobster. 10 days to go before the close of the season. Or an assorted species of fish. Crabs. Whatever crustacean.
I want to say one crab this morning. I spot you see big crab, you know.
I will may see big crab in again. And big crab in a fear pot out harbor so. And which I may see one again. One supposed now one pot for cramp paper deep beer. One now one pot for me, but I remember which part that. I know which are two crab there. So I'll have to do a save here and come down and take up that one also. Or maybe he went tie.
Yeah, he went tie.
So we can just take out the crab and drop it on the bottom side which are to figure. I remember say upon the bottom part in the setting about choker and push it. You reach up there so. But he say any amount you can get, you know. But him come and say you see one crab in one part for me, but I don't know which part that. You him. But I know say at two places, I know say crab there. But we have to keep at go up see, you know. Both which are there now also a different set. You have to search for some set for now for the jack season come. You can get parrot fish mix with the jack and snapper.
A mash machine.
Why pot mash?
159, 2 fish.
Remember say go see family large, you know. None of them not even live in yard. So when them there in bed asleep, him brother them out as a draw. Well, let's see. Wow. Every day I fishing day, but every day I catching day. That's it. Well known bait now in the still, you know. Look if he mash. Bait now it's still. Them two lips are cut not shell they can catch fish.
One
The fish after the fish run. Bait your cocoa head. Wild cocoa. We try about 8 pieces in each trap. That should do the trick. Eh? Put 2 piece more in it. Put 2 piece more in it.
Bread in the man.
Oh, you have ready to oh. Alright. Bonita belly. Or bonita gill.
Yeah, burger.
Burger bread. So they are adequately taken care of.
Oh yeah, the fountain.
I'm gonna get hot dog, you know. Yeah, dog.
Hot dog roll. Oops. Bait up. Splash. Overboard. Tie up around the foot.
It's fun, check.
So each two.
That's a procedure. Pull up, fish out, bait, throw over. This way you don't see where it's going, you just set it down. Hopefully it's set good. You have to wait on it to ensure that it doesn't go over the edge, because you lose it. So you, when in doubt, you make sure you sit it out and just wait until it touch the bottom before you let go of the rope. That's the rope still going overboard. You hold on to it, so when it reaches to the end and it doesn't touch the bottom, you have to just pull it back up and head in a little bit shallower. It should touch the bottom here though, based on the land bearings that we would have took. This area should be adequate enough to, you know, ensure that it doesn't go over the into the Cayman Trench. But we wait it out still. That's how it go. 2 man in a red hat and I didn't catch a 1 redfish. Look like he cramp it. Oh, he put on the back and change his mind. 2 red hat, 1 redfish. You have to take off and put on one green shirt, man. I'll catch green kangaroo. Alright, see that now. It's down, so it's floating just about that. Oh, no, it's not down, it's a different one. That.
ID.
Eh?
A new ID, what is it about me?
It needs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do it?
I know.
No.
So much country refuse, you can't.
Man, listen to me, man. When me hear people acquire boat needs, me acquire boat needs. Like I said, man, I acquire boat needs when you want to go for a farm work. You allow inspector to look at boat 9 cavities. Because he want to go to America. And he no business boaty.
So what? The national ID not gonna work again?
Yeah, but they might change you up. They might get more detail. They want to capture everybody on the data system. They say them say better for crime fighting and that kind of thing. But enough how they complain when they go to America, I want a little woman, I want a little man, can them go in our room and draw on 2 gloves. Like a dental floss, him go through them cavities. And then I say, no, when they done, they say, oh, I understand, it's your job, you have to do your job.
No, I say, oh, a big country.
And then go in America. And like me, I tell, they look much thing that big country refuse. Like all use tire and all I want to buy. I'm going to kill off yourself on the road.
You buy used tire, man.
Yo, Who buy you, sir?
You.
Yeah, idiot.
You go for 8
It say new tire and get me go. I want everyone there. That team look for the man, them man.
Slime can't go say this so blood that went down out.
Sell who? Yes, you have four brand new tele for me bus almost. Two the pan about 4 months now and me buy 2 new brand tire put pan the back. Oh, you never see me go buy second hand tire, boy. Tap tell lie. The only second hand tire I ever use, you give me them. Worst thing for take. Yeah, worst thing for take out for a friend like you know.
Yes, you buy all the fan cap.
No, we put on power and spear. Come in, they go somewhere for. But I go buy a new tire after that and crack on the panny.
No, you tell me say. You tell me say no. You go to the car and get a punch and you put on.
Yeah, to the police.
Just bring a blood clot.
Yeah, to the police, man. I only think about the needs, you know. When me not really in, I know. But none of two party no better pan, no differ pan the idea. They only have some different section that them want to cut out. But none of them now refusing needs. Because Jamaica is hooked to American umbilical card, you know. So if America ever cut them off cars, America no, they don't want to do America do. And that's the thing they know, brother.
America don't do it.
They know that.
So you want to push it on your throat?
They know that.
I can't.
They, you don't know what's America tell them, bro.
Chinese them.
Bro, you don't want to do it thing. You can't, you know, just like how you know eat lobster. Nobody can force you to eat.
Aye. We have one country what's they independent but they only find themselves in a pen. They have to do anything what the pen master say, you know. You watch it go wine a pen. Anytime you want to move him out a pen, you move him out. Anytime you want to narrow down a pen, you narrow it down. So independent is just saying that we are independent is just saying that we are independent. We don't come out of the pen. Independent and depending on the pen masters. Because that them use and write legislation in the pen. Yeah? And if you don't do what them say, them blacklist you. Cross and a reading through your name, I eat that for you. Social commentary, a fishing we are doing. What you don't come off of that now, brother. Oh, yeah. This one reach at the boat side. Let's see what they go and feed.
Emptiness.
Eh?
Emptiness of one feed.
One lobster, one saucer fish, one goat, one doctor fish, one parrot fish, one soap fish. No, sir. So look at me for bakalan. Eh? Oh. You think I found how much we out in there? I pull them up and rebait them. Okay. Now I know so they draw already. I just bait them and get pull up and get bait. Wow. Ain't got long good then, man. So where are we go? We are go a deep bay. You know, we're on top of a lobster bank today.
We have here come now, we can.
Aye. Well, like a lobster them turn two lobsters supposed to be on the bank there, no? You know? I'll shake them out and sell them out before the next 10 days. If lobster up there.
Alright, now.
Huh? Gate for going at them, man.
You know what I mean?
I borrow here right now. He's in the Barracuda era. Must get bite before you go down. Put it, show the bonita belly them right now. Wow, jump off that, Grumpy. Take your tiger shark mouth. I tuna go, I feed tuna.
When we get fish and you can chop up it.
Oh,
Big.
yeah. It make you look like a dicky fish, dicky.
Yeah.
Rat note all the fish skull in him plate. Big old skull bone in him plate and they want drinking soup for around. Yes, I am. Alright everybody, going to an end of this video. So don't forget to like and to subscribe, to share, to hit the notification bell, leave a comment. Also when you hit the notification bell, press all so you will not miss out on any of our excursion when we go out to fish. Alright, so the next time we meet will be about 95 to 100 feet under. Yeah man, peace, God bless.